Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Great. So class, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So you all are well prepared to begin with that? Okay. Now, you all must be sitting in your proper school uniform. You all have started following the timetable properly, had your breakfast. Some of you are not having your fruits. So you remember we did a topic in EVS related to our fruits and vegetables, isn't it? And in that topic I told you why it is important to have fruits and vegetables every day, why it is important to have home cooked food. Every day I am asking you the same and every day I am getting the complaints कि मैम ये खाना नहीं खाते हैं, मैम they don't have fruits in time, they don't take milk in time. Why is that so? So please repeatedly I am saying now I'll start taking the name in this videos ताकि आपके सब फ्रेंड्स को पता लग जाएगा कि कौन है वो naughty baby, कौन है वो naughty बच्चा तो the one who is not having fruits, vegetables and milk and all these things which are good for your health on time. So start listening to your parents, repeatedly I am saying you, and take all that what they ask you to eat. If they are giving you to eat, that means that's good for you. Eating only junk food is of no good, is of no use at all. Okay? Now let's begin with our today's class. So today is 21st October 2020. What is the date? 21st October. That means October month की 21st डेट है and कौन सा डे है? Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. And today we are going to do our maths work and we understand the concept near and far. So what is near? Near is पास में, far is दूर. ये दोनों ही चीजें क्या हैं? They tell us the distance. कितना दूर है. Now, simple example. When you have to go to your नानी house, which is in Delhi, या आपको दिल्ली घूमने जाना है like India Gate, and you are here in Gurgaon. You are sitting here and you want to go Delhi. अब India Gate near है या far है? ऐसे तो नहीं है that you'll step out of your home and you'll reach India Gate. Why? Because that is far off. You have to travel. वो बहुत दूर है and you have to travel. आपको उसकी तरफ जाना पड़ेगा, है ना? अब sky. Now let's talk about one more example. When you are playing on the terrace, आप अपने घर के terrace पे play कर रहे हो, or you are playing in the garden or park somewhere, and you see a aeroplane going above you. आपके ऊपर से एक aeroplane जा रहा होता है. Can you touch it? आप उसको टच कर सकते हो? No. Why? Because that is very far. वो बहुत दूर है. But if you are playing and a dog is passing by, or you see a ball is passing by, you can touch it. आप उसको टच कर सकते हो. Why? Because that is near to you. वो कहाँ है? आपके पास है. Near. Aeroplane far है, दूर है. You cannot touch it. है ना? तो जो चीज दूर है, something which we cannot touch, that is far, and something which you can touch, that is near. Now this blackboard, ma'am is touching it, so this blackboard is near to me. Now I am standing here and I am seeing that is the window. आपको लाइट आती दिख रही है ना? So that is the window, but I am not able to touch it. क्योंकि विंडो मेरे से थोड़ी दूर है, मुझे उसके पास जाना पड़ेगा. Similarly, इंडिया गेट देखना है तो आपको उसके पास जाना पड़ता है, isn't it? है कि नहीं है ऐसे, है ना? Now another example. Now you are playing football. आप फुटबॉल से प्ले कर रहे हो. What happened? How you play a football? You pass the ball, है ना? And you pass it with the help of your foot. आप अपने फुट से बॉल को किक करते हैं and like this you keep on passing the ball. When the ball is with you, जब आपकी टर्न है किक करने की, आप उसे किक कर पा रहे हो, तो वो बॉल कहाँ है? नियर है. वो आपके पास में है तभी आप उसे किक कर पा रहे हैं. But if the ball is with your friend, आपसे दूर आपका फ्रेंड खड़ा है और बॉल उसके पास में है, तो क्या आप किक कर पाओगे? No. Who will kick the ball? Your friend will kick the ball, not you. आप तो किक ही नहीं कर पाओगे. because that ball is far from you. आपसे दूर है वो. So understood the meaning of far? Far is जब दूर होते हैं. Near is pass. Now when you are playing outside, आप गिर जाते हो, चोट लग जाती है, and you start crying. And what you do? You search for your mom. मम्मा मेरे को चोट लग गई. आप रोते हो? मम्मा फार होती हैं. आप क्या करते हो? दौड़ के जाते हो. चोट लग गई है फिर भी आप जाते हो मम्मा के पास, so that you can hug her. अब क्यों दौड़ना पड़ता है मम्मा के पास? Because मम्मा दूर है. अब वहीं पे अगर मम्मा पास में होती है तो आपको भागना नहीं पड़ेगा. So what is near? Near is when you have something near to you, जब आपके कुछ पास होती है. What is far? Far means when some object is at a distance. So what we have learned? We have learned about distance. दूरी. ज़्यादा दूर है तो we call it far. पास में है तो we call it near. Now see an example here. So there is a tree. I have a tree here. There is a car and a bicycle. Now tell me which object is near to the tree? Tree के near क्या है? Car या bicycle? Which is near? Car is near. Car उसके पास है. अब bicycle तक आने के लिए हमें यहाँ तक आना पड़ेगा, isn't it? But car तो बिल्कुल पास नहीं है उसके. So understood? This is near. ये object कैसा है? This object is near. कार कहाँ है? कार पास में है तो कार है near, and bicycle दूर है तो bicycle is far. Far मतलब दूर और near मतलब जो हमारे पास हो. Clear? Now another example is we have a house here. Now there is a cat and a rat. Now tell me who is far? क्योंकि यहाँ cat है ना तो cat से दूर भाग रहा है. कौन भाग रहा है दूर? Rat. Yes, rat is running far. उससे दूर भाग रहा है. Why? So that cat उसको catch करके खा ना जाए. है ना? You all know ना cat क्या करती है? rat और mice को खा जाती है. Isn't it? So who is far off? Rat is far. And who is near? Cat is near to the house. अब हमें किससे डिस्टेंस पता करना है? हाउस से. कि हाउस के नियर कौन है और फार कौन है. So how you will explain? Cat is near, isn't it? So we'll write near for the cat. So cat is near and rat is far. So you will write far here. So who is far? Rat is far and cat is near. Understood? Again I tell you, when you sit in the class, okay, जब आप क्लास में आते हो, what ma'am ask you that you all have to keep your bottles away. आपको थोड़ा दूर एक bottle counter दिया हुआ है, so you have to keep your bottles there. Now if you are feeling thirsty, you want to have your water from the bottle, what you will do? You have to come there, isn't it? आप सीट पे बैठ के तो वाटर नहीं ड्रिंक कर सकते हो. When you are sitting on your chair, you cannot have your water because bottle is far from you. दूर रखी है ना आपसे, आप ऐसे तो टच नहीं कर पा रहे हो. So what you have to do? You have to stand, you have to walk, and then you will reach your bottle. ऐसे ही करते हैं हम लोग. So now for example, if we talk about if you are feeling hungry and you want to have food, kitchen में खाना रखा है and you are sitting in your room, you are taking your classes and you want कि mama I want to have a fruit, an apple or an orange, something I want to have. So what you will do? You will go to kitchen first. Why? Because kitchen is far. दूर है थोड़ा सा, है ना? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना रेफ्रिजरेटर आपके साइड में ही रखा है, ओपन करा और ले लिया. No, you have to go there. आपको रेफ्रिजरेटर तक जाना पड़ेगा, फ्रिज खोलना पड़ेगा, and from there you will take out your fruits. Isn't it? So what I want to tell you, what I want to explain you here is that the meaning of these two words, and these two words can only be identified on the basis of the distance. ये दोनों words हमें क्या बताते हैं कि given object से कितना distance है. Distance मतलब दूर है तो far है, near है तो पास. Clear all? Understand the meaning of these two words. Near is something which is near to me, जो मेरे पास रखा है. This board is near to me, मेरे पास में है. मैम बोर्ड के पास है. Far, that window is far. वो विंडो मेरे से दूर है. So that is far of me. Understood? Near and far. Clear everyone? Okay. So you can better understand it with the help of the work in book. Now all of you open your book on page number 23. Clear? So I'll write here book page number 23. So when you open this book page number 23, you will find the topic near and far, and let's see how we are going to do our today's work. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's work in book. Okay? So for that, what you have to do, you are going to open your number book 1. So open your book on page number 23. So I told you we are going to do our today's work on page number 23. Now when you will open this book on 23 page number, you will find our today's topic far and near. So what we are going to do first? First we will write today's date here. Yes. So what is the date today? 21st October 2020. So like this we have written our date, and we'll write CW. So we have written classwork also. Clear? Now what is the meaning of far? Far मतलब जो चीज़ हमसे दूर है. And what is the meaning of near? Near means something that is पास में. Yes, जो हमारे पास है चीज़. Okay? Now अब सी मम्मा दूर जाती हैं तो बुरा लगता है ना, बिकॉज मम्मा फार हो जाती हैं. जब मम्मा के पास होते हो, मम्मा के नियर होते हो, मम्मा पास होती है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. यू लव दैम. सो फार मीन्स दूर होना, नियर मीन्स पास होना. ओके, नाउ लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. सर्कल द थिंग्स दैट आर नियर द बॉक्स एंड जॉइन द ब्रोकन लाइन टू द थिंग्स दैट आर फार फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. अब देखो क्या करना है, सर्कल करना है. किसको? द थिंग्स दैट आर नियर द बॉक्स. यानी कि ये देख रहे हैं आप, कैन यू सी दीज गिफ्ट बॉक्सेस हियर? सो वी हैव 4 बॉक्सेस. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू सर्कल द थिंग्स दैट आर नियर. नियर मीन्स पास में. यस, तो हमें क्या करना है? We are going to circle those things that are near to this box. Clear? So now tell me, what is this? It's a ladybug. है ना? Now is this ladybug near to the box or far from the box? Near to the box. Very good. So now tell me, जब ये near है, what we are going to do? We are going to circle it. Yes. So let's see. Take your pencil and like this you will circle it. Okay? Now next we have, let us see, candle तो near नहीं है, वो तो बहुत दूर हो गई. So let's see the next picture we have. Let's see the next picture we have is a clock. So now tell me, is clock near or far? Clock near है या far है? क्लॉक इज नियर. देखो पास में ही है ना, उसके ज़्यादा दूर तो नहीं है, तो पास हो गई. नियर मतलब पास में. सो बिकॉज दैट इज नियर, अब हमें क्या करना है? वी आर गोइंग टू सर्कल इट लाइक दिस. आई विल सर्कल दिस. अंडरस्टूड? अब हमने नियर ऑब्जेक्ट्स को सर्कल कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट? जॉइन द ब्रोकन लाइन टू द थिंग्स दैट आर फार फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. अब जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स बॉक्स से फार अवे हैं, फार मीन्स दूर. देखो दूर है ना, हम दूर भी बोलते तो ऐसे ही बोलते ना, दूर. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? ये जो ब्रोकन लाइन है we have to join it. ठीक है? Now how we are going to do? Start from this point. Slowly you have to join that. Like this we'll join it. Okay? कर दिया हमने join. We have drawn the whole line now. We have joined it. Now next let us see the next picture we have. This is the gift box. Now we have a balloon here which is also far off. So what we are going to do? We are going to join this broken line again. So like this, slowly and slowly what you will do? You will join this broken line. Understood? So what we have done here? We have circled the objects that are near, जो पास में हैं. I told you ना near, the meaning of near is pass. And what is the meaning of far? जो दूर होते हैं. So far off objects को हमने क्या किया है? We have joined the broken line. Now that means ladybug is near, candle is far, clock is near and balloon is far. So have you understood your today's work? Okay. So class, you have understood what is near and what is far. So when we did the work in book, we saw that one object was given to you, a box, है ना? एक box दिया था. Which objects were near to the box? The ladybug and the clock. लेकिन जो far objects थे like candle and balloon, हमने line draw की थी. Similarly, as I showed you, because this car is near, अब bicycle दूर थी तो we have to draw a line. Bicycle तक पहुंचने के लिए क्या किया? We have drawn a line. Similarly, this house and cat, they are near to each other, but rat is far. अब rat को अगर यहाँ जाना है तो rat को उसकी तरफ जाना पड़ेगा. Rat has to walk towards it. As I told you for your bottle, जब आपको water drink करना है classroom में, you want to drink your water from the bottle, you have to stand from your seat and you will go there. Similarly, if rat has to go to this house, rat has to walk. उसके पास जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो दूर है. Understood? Similarly, as I told you, like we are playing with balloon. Now there are two types of balloon. One we have a gas balloon जो छोड़ते ही sky में उड़ जाता है. So till you are having that balloon in your hand, वो आपके near है. But अगर आपने उसको छोड़ दिया, release कर दिया, what will happen? It will go far. वो दूर जाता चला जाएगा. Isn't it? Similarly, you must have seen gas lanterns that we use or we enjoy releasing on Diwali. हम क्या करते हैं? वो हमारे पास होता है. Rocket also. I give you an example of rocket. So you all must have seen a rocket. रॉकेट हमारे नियर होता है. जब हम उसमें स्पार्क करते हैं, जब हम उसको ऑन करते हैं, उसमें लाइटन अप करते हैं, वो कहाँ चला जाता है? फार, दूर. सो व्हाट इज फार? जब वो हमसे दूर चला जाता है और वो ऊपर जाके बर्स्ट करता है. Isn't it? So far means दूर and near means pass. Understood that? Now finish your work, share your work with me, and after that get ready for today's rhyme class. So today I am going to teach you few rhymes related to these festivals. Okay? Bye. Take care.